Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie an unconventional bridal ghillie, and the measurement for this ghillie is 55-45 and it's a V-shaped ghillie. You place slanting on your head as usual, cross at the back. The shorter one comes on top and you bring it forward to form the V, which is what we are doing now. The pleats we took for this ghillie is 8 pleats, 8 on the left hand side, 8 on the right hand side. You have to ensure that they are complete, they are equal. When you're done making your pleats, you use the last one and pin to the base. After that, you go ahead to start picking your fan-like pleats for the ace. Small at the bottom, big on top. At the bottom, that means the ear part, small at the bottom, big on top. You're going to do it until you're done with the fabric. Then you proceed to make your height. When you're done making your ace on this particular flap, you go over to the other flap and do as seen. You take 6 pleats for your base. Just watch carefully and see how it's done. After that, you proceed to start picking your fan again. Small at the bottom, big on top. This ghillie is very easy to do, so just watch carefully. When you're done taking your 6 pleats, you pin to the base. Ensure that it's secure so you can pin more than once. This is another bridal style for our bridal ghillie series. Okay, as you've been noticing for some time now. So now we are done with the base. We go ahead to start picking our fan. Watch carefully.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the
So watch carefully guys, we repeat the same process that we did on the first flap on the second one, but when you're doing it, ensure that at the end of the day the one at the back is the same height with the one in front. It should not be higher than the one in front so that it will be equal, it will lap.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby,
Can you see?
you whip up my appetite.
Now you go ahead to make finishing touches and put at the back of your mind that the bigger the ghillie, the finer the style, the more stylish your bridal ghillie is going to look.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me, your body, and mine.
Now we go ahead to cover the back and make sure everything is neat. We are almost done with our ghillie.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh.
Voila, we are done with the back.
So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh,
This is our finished look. I hope you learned a lot from this bridal ghillie style tutorial.
baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Please guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.